Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to set reminders on iPhone. If this is your first time setting a reminder on your iPhone or even your iPad, don't worry. It's very simple and I'll guide you step by step. By default, your iPhone comes with a built-in app called Reminders. So just find it on your phone and click on it. Once you open it, you'll see your reminders list. To create a new reminder, tap on Add Reminder. Start by typing in the title of your reminder. You can also add more details in the notes or description, but adding a description is optional. You can leave it blank if you prefer. After entering the title, tap Add. Your reminder has now been created, and if you tap on All, you'll be able to see all your reminders in one place. Now, if you want your reminder to notify you at a specific time or date, tap on the reminder you just created. You'll see options to customize it further. Turn on the date option to select a specific day. If you also want it at a certain time, enable the time option and choose the exact time you want to be notified. You can also set the reminder to repeat. Tap on repeat and choose options like daily, weekly, weekdays, weekends, or customize the frequency however you like. There's also an option to set a location-based reminder, so you can receive a notification when you arrive at or leave a specific place. Once you've adjusted everything the way you want it, tap Done. Your reminder is now set. If you ever need to edit a reminder, tap on the reminder and select the information icon to make changes. If you want to delete a reminder, simply swipe left on it and tap Delete. If it's a repeating reminder, you'll have the option to delete just that occurrence or all future reminders. And that is just basically how to set reminders on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.